Are you looking for the best inexpensive drones? In this video we will look at some of the best inexpensive drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone. The arms are foldable, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos, videos in real time through the mobile phone camera and transmit images. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 20–30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. OneKey return function, you can easily find your way home. OneKey Takeoff. Landing. OneKey automatic takeoff. For landing, the drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With overcurrent protection and low battery protection, adopting 2.4 GHz technology, it has anti-interference function. 4 channels, can fly up and down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight and easier control. With 3 flight speed switch levels, it makes flying more fun. Number 2. WeFone WF30 GPS Drone. This 4K drone is equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera and a 117 degrees wide-angle lens, enabling effortless adjustment of the camera angle for enhanced perspectives and capturing wider landscapes. FPV 5G transmission allows for real-time viewing and sharing of exciting moments. The transmission and remote control range is approximately 300 meters. The GPS drones with camera for adults 4K support slow battery, weak signal, and OneKey return functions, allowing it to quickly and reliably return to the takeoff point. Follow me mode, waypoint flight, and point of interest features enable users to easily set the drone's flight path and shooting direction. Additionally, OneKey Takeoff, landing, headless mode, and speed switching functions make it easy for beginners and kids to control this drone with 4K camera. This drones with camera for adults 4K is equipped with 2 rechargeable modular batteries, extending the flight time to 40 minutes. 20 minutes per battery. The 4K drone with camera uses powerful brushless motors for smoother flight, faster speeds, lower noise, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. This will be the best camera drone for adults and beginner. This drone with camera for adults is equipped with an upgraded hovering system and optical flow positioning technology, ensuring stable hovering in the air and providing users with an excellent drone flying experience. This 4K camera drone is an ideal choice for capturing stunning shots at any time. Number 3. SJRC F11S Pro Drone. This SJRC F11S 4K Pro drone is equipped with an advanced system that is intelligent and powerful. The drone's camera lets you take quality aerial footage, and the Wi-Fi transmission ensures crystal clear video transmission. There is a newly created intelligent 2500 mAh battery that will last up to 26 minutes in flight time. Wherever you go, this drone will automatically follow you and take pictures of you and allow hands-free flights and selfies. Number 4. Holystone HS720E Drone. The Holystone HS720E drone with camera 4K has completed the FAR requirement. You can now obtain the Holystone remoted module to ensure compliance. Reach out to the Holystone customer support team for assistance with any remote ID module inquiries. HS720E GPS drone boasts a cutting-edge 4K 3840 by 2160 camera with electric image stabilization, is technology, ensuring crystal clear videos free from blurring. Equipped with an advanced Sony sensor, the HS720E drones with camera for adults 4K elevates image quality to unmatched levels, outperforming others in its class. Experience stable flight, thanks to the integrated air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS location and auto return to home functionality, you can explore with confidence, knowing your HS720E FPV drone will always find its way back to you. Elevate your airborne adventures with our Fly More kit, providing a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time soaring and less time recharging. The included carrying bag adds convenience, making it a breeze to transport and store your HS720E 4K drone when not in use. Elevate your videography and photography with innovative flight modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. Watch your HS720E mini drone with camera effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Number 5. Potensic Atom Mini Drone. The palm-sized drone, Atom, doesn't require FA or remoted registration. The foldable and compact design makes it easy to carry along on adventures. Equipped with Sony CMOS sensor and a 12MP camera capable of recording 4K/30 FPS video, the Atom GPS drone delivers respectable image and video quality. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth and steady footage even in level 5 windy conditions. Upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology ensures stronger anti-interference compatibilities and a farther transmission range up to 6 km. The intuitive remote control makes it easy and flexible to control the drone with confidence. The Atom drone camera supports accurate visual tracking and quick shots like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving you more freedom to record the creative moments around you. Everyone can make cinematic videos. The Atom drone for adults comes with one intelligent 2330 mAh battery, running up to 32 minutes. Enjoy farther and longer flying with the standard kit. The drone's enhanced GPS capabilities and return to home feature contribute to steady aerial shots and safe flight, allowing the drone with camera to return to its takeoff point with a tap on the phone.